Hey good people, welcome back to another video. I'm Tiquana, also known as Q. If it's your first time here, thumbs me up, leave a comment, share this video with all of your friends. Today we have a haul video. I've added some pieces to my closet, and if you're interested in seeing what I added, then keep watching. So every time I do these hauls, I have a story. It's not a long story, but I bought my tall friend some stuff from Fashion Nova, and we had to send it back, and then I had some money left over. So I bought this. Y'all know I love a shrug. I love an accessory because you can just pop this on with something and it just make the outfit cuter. It has like a little bow detail to it. I'm not sure how much this was. I'm gonna link everything that I can still find and that's still available down below. But yeah, I bought this and I got this in a size medium. I like how it fitted. It's cute, like a little bolero. Next we have this skirt by Fringe from Curated Styles. If you're unfamiliar with what Curated Styles is, it's my subscription-based website powered by Haberdash, and it's a rental website. So if you're not sure about a particular item, then you can rent them and then decide to buy it or send it back. But this is one of the skirts that I got. It's by the brand Fringe. And I think I'm gonna wear it with, I'm gonna do a styling video. And I think I'm gonna wear this with that croc blazer. If you all watched my other styling video, the church outfit, I think I wanna try to see if this and that jacket would go together. That jacket was also rented. It's like a little croc blazer. Also, winter is coming. So I rented this little sweater with the little fringe here. I'm really into fringe this season. I don't know what it is, but it's just like if it got some shingle on it, give it to me. But this is just a basic sweater. It's nothing really to it. This is by the brand Crescent, and I have this in a size small. Okay, I went over to Zara, girl. That's Zara. Some Zara be like this. Right now they ain't shaking as much, but I got these pants and they a little snug, but you know I'm in the gym. When I lose my little 5 pounds, I feel like they'll fit perfect, or because I don't want them to be too big, but they a little snug, but I still need to take the waist in. But these are some good pants. I bought a size large and they didn't have an extra large available, because I would have bought both to see which one I like fit. My problem is I'm like a medium and a half or a large and a half, because in tops, if I get a large, sometimes they're too big. And then if I get a extra large, sometimes it's too big, but the large is too small, so I need a large and a half. But anyway, I bought these. My favorite detail is the cuff. I do need to get some shoes because 3-inch heels are too tall for this, for at least for my height. I'm 5'2", and I don't like how, I just like my jeans or my pants to scrub the ground. And these are a little higher when I wear a higher heel. So I'm looking for a new heel for this. It comes with the belt and then this 2-button detail here. These are just some good pants. They're not very thick, but they do feel quality, if that makes sense. It gives me Carhartt or like some Dickies, like that type of material. I think but these are twill. And did I say they was $89? Zara is pricey. Next, I picked up this blazer with the satin lapel. I want to do some New Year's looks. I bought the pants to go with this, but homegirl couldn't get up her thighs. So yeah, I'm going to style this up. But I do have those editor pants that are like kind of slim fit, because I'm gonna wear this buttoned up anyway. And I got that blazer in the large, and it was $89.90. What's up with Zara? Just making $90. You're not tricking us. But yeah, so I love Zara little tank tops. In the split screen when I'm trying on some of these clothes, the white bodysuit is from Zara too. It's just, they're like double line. They have like this double lining. So if you don't want to wear a bra and you okay with not wearing a bra, it doesn't give you too like saggy. Next from Zara, I got this sweater. I probably should have gotten a medium, but I thought that I wanted it oversized, but I think it's already oversized, but I don't know if I'm keeping it. But it got the shingle. I love the arms on this. And I think I just need a smaller size. I don't know if I need a medium or a small, but I don't want it to fit as baggy, for my taste, as baggy as it is. I think I want it to be a little bit more fitted. But yeah, so I bought this, and this in a size large, and it was, I don't know, it has 39 euros, 39.95 euros. I don't know how much that is in USD. Okay, now I have my favorite piece that I picked up in a really long time from Zara. These wide leg joggers are the goodest. Now, I bought mine in a size large, and they were $47.90. Run and get them now. They got the elastic waist. They just fit so good. The fact that they are large, but they still have a little bit of bagginess, because sometimes large be like tight on my legs. And these good. If I didn't tell you they were faux leather, you wouldn't know they were faux leather. Like, they just soft, and they are really, I ain't gonna say it again. Y'all need these if you in the market. So I took those express ones back when I found these. And I saw them in store too, so you better go get them. Okay, next I bought me another little two-piece set because I felt like my H&M set, the like, what is it called? Like mohair set, was super cute. So I bought this one from Zara. It's coming up redder than what it is, but this is a little short. I bought mine in a large. The skirt was $29.90, not too bad. But it's short, you gotta wear some shorts underneath. And then I bought the matching top. Well, I don't know if it's like just considered a vest or what, but I bought the top to go with it too. Yep. Can't wait to style that up, so stay tuned. Next, Urban Revivo sent me over some pieces. So thanks to Urban Revivo for sponsoring this portion of the video. And they did not disappoint. You hear me? Okay. So first, y'all know I love a button up. They sent me this button up. Now, like when I was saying like my sizing, I feel like a large would be too long on the arms, but the medium around the waist, because this does cinch in the waist, homegirl can only get one button. But I don't mind that, because I don't mind showing a little cleavage. But I think I will wear a top underneath or a top over it. But look at the little peplum. Y'all can see in the split screen. I don't know really what the string is about, but this is a button down top. I don't know how much, it doesn't have a price on here, but everything will be linked below if you're interested. But yeah, this, if you have an hourglass body shape and it's kind of like peplum where it just flares out but it's open in the middle, Urban Revivo does that well, I think. And they also sent me over this denim top, and the same thing for this, only one button, sis, or I can wear it as a jacket and leave it open. But this is the cinching, it's the contour that's giving it. But I got a small waist, but it ain't like teeny tiny. But I also feel like the arms would have been too big. So I'm happy with it still. And I have this also in a size medium. Okay, next we have this cardigan with the metal button detail here. The quality of these cardigans are like stalled. Like, it's the same material as my stall dresses. And I don't understand, like, we're getting ripped off. But this is, I have this in a size medium. This is heavy too. This feels like the same material that my Amy cardigan, you know, the heart, like with the ace on it, that brand. It feels the same as that. So this might get a little linny though with wear, but super cute. Okay, next I picked up these cardigans. Y'all seen them, they're viral. You seen them. And I was like, well, maybe it ain't my style, but you look like a bag of money in them. she's getting money when she wear these, when she wear this. It's just quality and it is good. I really, y'all know I have those green pants from Express, so I want to see what this looks like together, but good. The black one, I love the button detail that is just like a little clasp, like you just turn that. Both of these are a size medium, and the black look like for real luxury, and it's affordable. That's what Urban Revivo gonna probably take over, because the quality and affordability is there, and the details. It's not like a boring top either, so they got something going. So next I have the bubble skirt. I have it in black. In pink. I cannot wait to wear the pink one with brown boots. It's gonna be so lovely. So as far as sizing, I have all my skirts in the large. Oh, and I don't know if this is considered olive or tan. This skirt is the same color as those Zara pants, those twill pants from Zara. And I just can't wait to put the clothes on. Wait till I style it up. The pink large is wider, so I may need to take this in, but with these skirts, I do like to wear something that comes down. I wouldn't just wear anything fitted inside. But yeah, so this one is a little bit bigger in the waist than the black one and the tan one. But these are good skirts. Also, if you all have these skirts, y'all gotta fluff them out. Don't just wear it flat. When it's fluffed out, oh, it's ready for a good time. Like your outfit, they gonna know you in there. So I'm super happy about these. Sometimes you just need one of every color. And that's just that on that. Last, I got the faux leather dress. You thought I didn't and I did? Yes. This is a good dress. I have a size medium. I'm okay with the medium. Because when I was looking at like some dresses, I wanted to be a little bit fast. Because I feel like I dress like cute, but it's still gonna be a little bit conservative. I ain't gonna have it all hanging out, and I don't feel like this has it all hanging out either. I might wear a blazer. I ain't gonna do no blazer, that's a lie. I ain't wearing no blazer over this. I don't know what I would wear over this, but or maybe do some over the knee boots. But this is I love how it fits on me. And then I didn't have to wear a bra. And I don't have like any like type of shapewear on either. And I love the fact that you can ruche it around that fupa area. This just is a good dress. If you didn't know it was faux leather, you wouldn't know it. I love the off the shoulder detail. And I like it with my hair off my face with this too. Like, cute. And that's just what it is. Next, we have some boots. And if you saw one of my haul video, y'all saw me style up these boots from Steve Madden. These were on sale for like $170 or $180. Originally like $250, I want to say. And I bought both of them from Macy's. So I bought the bone pair. Love that the heel isn't very long. You have to be careful with these. Scotch guarded these, and then they were smelling like they were gonna blow up. But I feel like it's gonna help. I'm gonna have to do one more coat because you know how you touch your face and then now my boots are dragging, so I had to pull up my boots. But yeah, these I highly recommend, and I highly recommend it for the girls with the big legs that typically have a problem with over the knee or any knee anything, and I'm glad they lightweight, a little baggy, and I don't mind that because they supposed to be slouch. So I bought the bone color, and then I bought red. And I was looking for some red boots, but these they look good. They good. They don't look cheap. They look like quality. If I would have told you they were some expensive designer, you would have been like, oh, okay. But no, Steve Madden, Macy's, run. And Macy's tend to have a lot of sales too. So don't get caught slipping and you don't have the red boots. And you like, I wish I would have got those red boots when she said get them. So that concludes this video. I hope I picked out some things that you like. If you're not thinking about anything else, you need to think about those faux leather joggers from Zara, and the boots. If you're a big leg girl, get the boots. I also ordered the brown, like distressed ones, but those weren't my taste. I didn't like them, so I sent them back. And please like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Stay tuned for a styling video, styling a lot of these pieces, and into the next video. Keep it cute.